What if $1,000 invested the right way in 2026 could be the foundation of your entire financial future? Not a get-rich-quick scheme, not a gamble, a real proven strategy that works even if you've never invested a single dollar in your life. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do step by step. Here's the truth: most people who try to invest their first $1,000 make the same three mistakes. They chase trending stocks, they throw money at crypto without a plan, or they do nothing, leaving it in a savings account earning 0.5% while inflation silently eats it alive. In 2026, with interest rates shifting and markets waking up, that approach will cost you. So let's talk about what actually works. Before you invest a single dollar, you need a financial cushion. Rule of thumb: keep at least 1 month of expenses liquid. Right now in 2026, you can find rates between 4 and 5%. That money stays untouched. It's your armor. The remaining $600 to $700, that's your investment capital. Now we're ready. Take 50% of your investment capital, about $300 to $350, and put it into index funds, specifically an S&P 500 index fund. This is not exciting. That is the point. The S&P 500 has returned an average of 10% per year historically. Warren Buffett has literally told his estate to put 90% into an S&P index fund. If it's good enough for Buffett, it's good enough for your first $1,000. On Fidelity or Schwab, you can start with zero minimums. Zero. No excuse not to start today. Now take 25%, roughly $150 to $175, and pick 2 to 3 individual growth stocks. In 2026, focus on sectors still expanding: AI infrastructure, clean energy, and healthcare tech. You don't need to pick the next Apple. You need solid companies with real earnings and a reason to grow. Check the fundamentals. Don't go all in on one name. Diversification, even within your stocks, is what separates smart investors from gamblers. Here's where we get real with you about crypto. Take the remaining 25%, about $150, and split it between Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's it. Not meme coins, not whatever is trending on social media today. BTC and ETH are the blue chips of crypto. After the 2024 halving cycle and the wave of institutional ETF flows, Bitcoin's structure in 2026 is fundamentally different from 2021. You're not speculating, you're positioning. Hold this portion and don't panic sell at the first 20% dip. That is where most people lose. The final step is the most underrated: automated. Set up automatic monthly contributions, even if it's just $50 more per month. This is called dollar cost averaging, and it is the single most powerful thing a beginner investor can do. You stop trying to time the market, which nobody can do, and you just keep buying consistently. In 5 years, you won't recognize your portfolio. That $1,000 today with consistent additions could grow to $15,000 to the $20,000 without you doing anything complicated. Let's recap. Step 1, protect yourself first with an emergency buffer. Step 2, 50% into S&P 500 index funds as your foundation. Step 3, 25% into 2 to 3 growth stocks in high potential sectors. Step 4, 25% split between Bitcoin and Ethereum only. Step 5, automate your contributions and stop watching it daily. That is your entire $1,000 strategy for 2026. Simple, proven, and actually doable. If this helped you, hit subscribe. I drop videos like this every week.